we've got to accept that animals come with baggage, and for some people, they come with an unacceptable level of baggage. So, you know, if you take beavers, for example, we've got to accept that in some cases, beavers have to be culled. They have to be managed. The same will be true of carnivores. We have to acknowledge that there are legitimate concerns among land managers. Some of those concerns are unreasonable, no doubt about that. But ignoring them is just going to drive it underground and ultimately result in illegal persecution. And that's a situation nobody wants to arrive at. So pragmatism, I think for me, for Scotland, the big picture, we have a set of ideals, we have a set of principles, we're passionate about those principles and passionate about promoting them across wider society. But those principles do not stand in isolation. They cannot ignore equally felt passionate principles on the part of other people. There has to be common ground, there has to be a meeting point, and we have to listen to each other, because otherwise we go back to having a fight on social media, and that's fruitless and saps energy.